Hi all. In this video, let's see how to upgrade your code base from one version to the another version easily with the help of the code mods. So what are these code mods? Code mod is an automated script which helps us to upgrade from one version of React.js to another version. Not just React, it has multiple languages, frameworks as well. So I will show that with an React example of how easily we can upgrade from React 17 to React 18 with an example. Let's get started. First thing, okay, so this is a React 17 project. Okay, there's a sample React.js 17 project. Now, if I want to upgrade from React 17 to 18 version, so I need to understand what all the new features were there in React 18. And I need to do all these changes in each and every file, right? Instead of that, like if I use code mod, then what happens? It will automatically picks every file and it will update that particular feature of React 18 in our application. So this helps us a lot in terms of if you have a large project where you have a n number of code files. So instead of doing that manually, if you do this, use this, it helps us a lot. So let me explain that with an example. So code modes are automated scripts, but if you want that very specific to React, you need to use React code mod. Okay, and inside this you can have multiple features of React 18 to be updated, but I'm using update React imports. Okay, now I'm clicking enter. So it will ask me a couple of questions. It is asking in which path I need to do all these changes. I'm saying src. Okay, and it is asking JavaScript or TypeScript, so I'm selecting as a TypeScript. If it is a JavaScript, you can select the JavaScript. Now it is asking to destruct the namespace imports. Yes, I'm saying yes. So now it is executed. So now you can see it has executed and it has skipped certain files. Okay, because we told to do this change throughout src. Under the src, these files it couldn't able to do the change, so it skipped all these files and it is okay with this file. So it means like here you can see 7 changes it has done, 16 changes it was skipped. So what all the changes it did, and what is this update React import? So let's see that. So I'm going here and I'm clicking here. If you see in React 17 version, you need to import React from React. That is mandatory in React 17. But in React 18, you no need to have this default import. Okay. By default, React will be there available for JSX in all the files. Okay. So you no need to explicitly do this import React from React. So if you see in all the files, it will be removed. See, it was removed React. Okay, and it was kept as React was removed, it automatically kept that strict mode by taking that strict mode from the React. So all these changes was done in all the files. See, import React was removed. Okay, all the import statements were removed because import React from React is not necessary in React 18. So this, if you wanted to do manually in 100 files, you need to go in each and every file and you need to do that. Instead of that, if I just run this command, I'm not even installing anything. I've just run this npx react code mod and update React imports. With the help of this just command, it has done all these changes. So this is the advantage of using the code mod for upgrading our code bases from one version to the another version. So let me show you what are the other options we have here in the code mod. So here if you go and click the get started. So here you can see what all the frameworks available. So I'm clicking here show all. So these are all the frameworks were available for upgrading the code base. Okay, here I'm selecting React. Inside the React, so these are the commands. So what all the commands? So I have typed the update React imports, right? Of all the features in React 18, I want to update only this part. Okay. So like this, what all the other changes were there? If you wanted to understand and if you wanted to run those commands, so this is the place you can verify. Okay. In the Codemon, come to the Codemon and select the React. Here you will be having React prop types to the TypeScript. So for example, earlier we'll be having prop types. So we might have used the prop type throughout our application. Okay, like this. So now if you are converted into the TypeScript, all these changes, prop types should be modified as an TypeScript interfaces. How you are going to do that? Just so this code base should be like prop types should be converted as an interfaces like this, and this prop types should be removed. Okay, in all our files. doing this manually has an high impact. Like we'll be doing high like time and cost will be kept in, and there is an manual errors it can be happen by using this Codemon. So here on the right side you can see you can use this command. Okay, and to do this change throughout the application you can use just this command. Okay, and this Codemon can be used not just for React, as I told, like it can be used for any of the other versions like this listed here. And very specific if you want for the React, so they have provided React code mod as well. So here you can check all these things like create elements. So the command which I run is npx react code mod will be the common, and this you need to specify which change you wanted to do throughout your project, that you need to do, and you need to specify the path. In our case, we have specified that as SRC to make sure like each and every file was examined and did do the changes. So likewise, see now you have all these things. Find DOM node, manual bind to arrow, all these things you can try yourself in your application. And one thing you need to understand is once it does all the changes, you need to go back and you need to do some manual intervention. Just check like whether it is having whether it did right or not. Okay, and also run your test cases, lint, and run your application. Everything is working fine or not. And in few cases, this code mode may not work. In such cases like React custom hooks, in these areas you need to have some manual intervention as well in the React custom hooks or deeply nested components. In these scenarios the code mod may not work 100%. In those scenarios you need to interact manually with the application and you need to do the changes, but most of the cases like all these code mods will help us a lot in doing the things very fast enough. So apart from these things you have an extension in the VS Code code mod. So if you install this code mod extension, what happens? You'll be getting an icon here. You can see the left code mod icon. If you click this code mod icon, now it has all the list of code mods. It means like automated scripts it has provided. Okay. Now you can go, you can search for the React. Here I will only search for the React. You can search for whatever. So now here you can do the changes. So whatever the changes you want. So you have any React Route 4 version or 6 version. Okay, you wanted to do React 19 version. So see, these are all the code mods we have for the React 19 version. So if I click something, so replace string ref. So this is what the latest one we have in the React 19. If I click this, if I run this, so this will run throughout our application. Okay, and now as I clicked it, it is running. So it takes some time and it will examine it. The mode has already run. Okay, so one more thing you need to do is like you need to upgrade your version before you're doing all these things. Now we are in React 17. So before you doing all these things stuff, you need to upgrade to React 18, and React DOM also should be updated to React 18. So this is what you need to do. Like both the things should be updated first. So then only you need to proceed with these changes. You can proceed. You can just click these things. That's it. It will do all the code changes for you. So in this case, like it will very helpful for you. You no need to go and learn about all React 19 features. What are there? What all the changes I need to do? Just come here and run these commands. It will change the modify the code. Then you can understand, oh, what is this change and how it impacted your files, whether that helps you or not. All those decisions you can take easily here. Okay, this is also you can see the prop types to the types. Okay, so all these changes just by the click you can do. Not just React, you here you can have all the other things as well, all the other frameworks and libraries also you can use in the same way. Okay, hope it will really help you in migrating from one version into the another version very easily. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.